turn it over to our
Number 28, Kevin Dengue Gemba. And coach of your Green Archers, Coach Alex Robinson.
And Golgena for the shooting guard pro. Are we going to expect in this tournament?
Yes, Coach Rocky, as I mentioned last night, we expect another set. They won last night, and I think they will do more this coming matchup between Phoenix.
Attack doon ni Makalalag in that
wits, and their experience. They bring that to the table, and of course their health. Of course, nandyan yung import nilang itong si Jay.
Here comes the post. A good anticipation still there by Makalalag, wide open.
Coach Rocky, for the past 2 days, hindi nakapaglaro to si Sam Perkins. But this time around,
Green Archers. But now JC Makalalag, Abadam on the corner, fires once again. That's their once again. Ito talagang dito magaling yung Lasal in their transition. Giliena, but that's a big the block of the game at sa atin ng Genesis. Yes. They're using the top pick. Toughen for 3. Swish!
Finally, almost
become one of the key scorer for Lasal. Michael Phillips this time. Basket will count. Ito Michael Phillips, one of
coach.
Especially talagang high leaper, and the same time talagang hindi natatakot kahit nasa harap yung kalaban.
So itong si Michael Phillips, any coach,
si Kentoy Salado,
suki yan dito.
Yes. KQ, a good pass there to Raven. Phoenix Fuel Masters still finding their first W in this tournament.
Yes.
This is only for
and the organizers for bringing this huge
quality lion. Si Kanga is one of the Alejandro fires. Yes, sir. Pasok.
Alejandro has been effective in the
Ramiro.
Gandang entry, coach.
I like that. Mga naalala Cholo, parang mga ganun din yung mga galawan dati. Nako, pasok na naman. Ito, Kentoy sa last well. They kick it out to Ramiro. Fire contested shot, but it doesn't matter. Kentoy Salado, favorite move.
Pasabit
Ito Kentoy Salado, a proud beast duck din ito, coach? Shout out.
Sabi, coach.
Ang dami nating mga. And now here comes the Fuel Masters on transition. Kai Balungay with that trailer. Napakaganda. Yeah, let's take a look at this. The lungsod ng Davao. Shot of the game.
Started the big guy running down the court, so wide open itong si Kai Balungay.
Yes, is now in pro, and
wow!
Here comes Michael Phillips. This time kontra their Makinis, but this time transition. Medyo mabagal yung transition ng Fuel Masters doon. Makinis! That tall guy, but look at the strength and ang nagpasagasa ka sa 10-wheeler truck. Abadam on the corner.
Wow.
Yan.
That's shot. Magagalit ka ba?
I'm okay with it, coach.
Right.
But here comes Makinis. Good block.
Phillips doon.
The fans are shouting, dunk, dunk. Easy hook.
Pinahirap.
The less energy will it take. RJ Hasul fires.
Wow.
Good cut there. 5 seconds to go. Fades away.
Nice.
Grabe. Boris Marasigan. As we are featuring Lasal and the Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Wow.
Good pass, but a better defense there from Larry Muyang. Very anticipated. Green Archers. JC Makalalag.
Strong move.
Grabe, yun talaga yung strength niya. Kalam sweet spot. Yun Let's take a look at that. Kaming really a mature player para sa DLSU.
Player ng De La Salle Philips po.
Eto, R. Garcia. There to Alian. Alian drives using his
Grabe.
strength.
Patient drive.
R. Garcia. Once again, ito another chance for Fuel Masters. And yes, pumasok. They're finding an open look.
He did not hesitate there.
Perkins for 3.
Yung ang something na hindi natin alam kasi puro tayo right-handed.
Yun nga lang, no?
Ayun, Kenneth there on transition. Jason Perkins on transition 3.
Wow!
Yep. The Austria fakes. Tapal ka doon. From Jay McInnes. Tyler Teo. And there's a... Mga lalaki kasi, Coach.
Oo nga eh. Lahat pa.
Sa atin, puro small ball eh.
No.
Yes. And ito, wide open 3 on the corner.
Wow.
Pasok.
Sa wakas, pumasok na yung 3
Park that fire. Perkins once again, contested shot. But Jay McInnes, time. Here comes LaSalle. KQ floater shot. Yes, sir. Iba talaga yung vision ni KQ. Sig natin, no, but before that, no, nakita natin, lungsod ng Davao, replay.
control yung temper niya, you know.
Yes, definitely. Now KQ once again on the corner. Back to back. 1, 2, 3.
Grabe itong si K.
Especially you're now in a penalty, Coach.
Yeah, medyo early yung penalty situation nitong LaSalle. Too aggressive in terms of their defense, Coach.
Definitely right. No? Let's take a look at this. What a spin move there. Hatid sa atin ng Jen. Grabe yung presence ng Jay McInnes.
Wow!
Yes, Dongo. And there you go. You know, international logistics play of the game. Yun. Michael Dungo. Lefty shot, but Michael almost a follow-up dunk. And Kentoy, the conductor.
The hesitation dribble. Design, no? He can play from the outside.
Is definitely another offensive foul.
Offensive foul jersey number
In that
20.
possession. But eto, Earl Abadam, Yambao, good pass there to Raven Cortez. You know, side Kentoy Salado,
Nice
4
pass.
on 3 transition. Jason Perkins,
Hindi pa rin.
Jay McInnes, finish it.
4 seconds to play. Oh!
Wow, what a Davao City Sports highlights. Free throw attempts ng Phoenix Fuel Masters. They're 79% on the corner. Gulien. Correction, Guliena. So really contributing a lot for LaSalle.
Yeah, EJ Gulian is a steady contributor for De La Salle University. But looking at the first half stats,
Yan Ramiro. Wow,
the handles. Oh!
yun lang. Camacho. Kicks it out to Alejandro. 3.
Wow.
Uno,
Naman.
naman. Ayan.
Nice dump. Oh my gosh! Woo! Excuse me po.
For Michael Phillips. Sean. Kentoy Salado kontra Lian Ramiro. Kentoy.
Wow! Ganda ng dump. Nice!
Good pass. And a good...
Oh!
What the hesitation! Woo! Another fast break opportunity. Kentoy Salado.
Easy.
Touchdown. Sal grabs the rebound. Boris Marasigan. Finish.
Aggressive move.
Masters, we have the Rain or Shine, Elasto Painters, and the Converge Fiber Xers. Yun, Raven Cortez creates space. Yun, up and under. But Kai Balungay is there. RJ Azul, gustong sumubok, but there comes McInnes to really get that offensive rebound. Mateo Rubico, pasok. CJ Austria. Take
Oh. They will review this.
one. RJ Azul for 3.
Oh.
Mabandang tira. Oh no.
Keeping LaSalle at bay with 1 minute remaining.
Wow. Big at the top.
Ooh,
Blocked there by Larry Muyang. Good defense.
2.
Here comes JV Mocon.
Oh my!
Almost.
I played with Coach Mon before, no, sa university games. Against.
Yes, Mike Phillips. The 9 minutes remaining of the ball game. Tyler Teo drives. A good defensive play.
KQ wide open 3.
Yep, that's wide open.
Swish!
1, 2, 3. Enes using his strength.
Oh!
But
Pumasok tuloy, no? Look at Austria and Tyler Teo. Oh, steal! There you go! Oy, nako po! Wag naman po sana.
yes.
Oh my gosh.
Players, please go back to respective benches. Players, please go back to respective benches.
Nagkagirian na nga talaga.
We don't heal. Nagkahilaan sila, coach.
Yes. And ito, you see the physicality. That's okay, no? At pagkatapos na, okay na sana.
Yeah.
And CJ Austria will shoot the second free throw. Imagine mo, coach, paano mag-handle na ganyang situation.
Also, coach, I don't think referees would really allow yung mga extra motions, no? But
Yes.
yung konting mga bump like yun, over na yun eh. So, that's a good call. In-extend na eh. Oo nga.
Huwag na po tayo mag-away. O kanya-kanyang opinion. Wow, Matt Ruby.
Drag screen from KQ. Oh!
Very smart. You know, after losing his balance, na meron yung LaSalle. Always Austria.
Kaya nga. Gustong-gusto ko yung player na to eh.
Kala ni CJ Austria. Eto, here comes Sean Maganti. CJ
Yan na
Austria
naman, no?
steals the ball. Ayan.
Humila pa! Wow!
KQ!
Woo! Power! Chill!
Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. The Arcadia
Humila pa,
Lifestyle Center. Jordan yan. Jordan Tang. Breather yun. Breather.
Oo.
Jason Perkins. Eto na.
Put back.
Kiambao. Here comes Austria. 3.
Ah! Wow! CJ Austria really having fun.
Tyler Teo. Tyler Teo for 3.
Bago
sir.
Knee injury? Wow.
Nope. I think it's
Cramps?
cramming. Davao lang po tayo ngayon. Ito, here comes Jason Perkins. He drives physically and 1.
Continuation. Basket.
Ito, nakikita natin the fist using his veteran move.
Wow!
Yan na. Ayan, napa-timeout na.
Once a punch from Babadang.
Nakalala.
Ooh! Agaw!
Perkins
Perkins.
uses his strength.
No good. Clean up job.
Oh!
Slamma jamma. 5 seconds to shoot,
Jason
coach.
Perkins.
Uh-oh. Blocking foul. Wow. With point
Yeah.
7. Tabla po tayo.
CJ. He made it.
Second throw. Tinilaan pa. Ibang throw. Here we go. Give and go play. Sabi na, go for 3.
What a big rebound.
LaSalle escapes.
Yep, that's right. Almost a shot by RJ Azul. Dito, end of the game. The